Hello, everybody. Happy January the 10th. Zeff here. Today, going to be going over 4 trades I took today. The worst trading I've done for this year so far. We are red on the day, just not too crazy. We managed it. But yeah, we're going to go over breaking the rules. So first one was I have a rule of not trading after 2. Broke that. I have a rule of not moving the stop loss, just let the system play out. Broke that. So yeah, and got a little tilted, but reeled in the emotions. So we're gonna go over that real quick, and got to show the good, got to show the ugly. So this is what the chart looks like for today. Overall, actually pretty bullish chart. Just not many trades this week, and not many trades this day. I think there's maybe 3 or 4 before I started trading at 2. Okay, so let's just jump right into this, my thought process and everything. Okay. Now remember, we're in a bullish uptrend. So I see first, let me change my cursor for you. I see first entry short, second entry short, outside bar closing on its low, and I go with it. It goes right to the 1 point, but I get rejected after Q limit order, and then I realize this bar is closing high, so now this is actually a first entry short, second entry short failure. So I messed that up. I should only be looking to go long because of the actual trend, so I don't know why I'm short. Mistake number 1. I just shoot it to break even, get break evened, and then of course, I'm right about this, and this is how I should have gone in for my 1 point for a failed second entry short. Then I see this play out. I see first entry long, pull back, second entry long. Now this is actually a good trade. Also, you have a triple test across here, and I go 1 tick with it. My stop has to be quite low at 48.1875 and 1 tick under, so 48.1850. But this triple test, this ABC, the second entry long, I mean everything's pretty darn good with this. There's room to the highs for 1 point, and sure enough, I see first entry long, second entry long, and I realize that 1 tick underneath is probably a failure and might just get me stopped out. Then my stop would be too big, so I take the 1 point loss, and then sure enough, it shoots right back up. So mistake number 2, I moved the stop loss, tried trailing it, even though this was still sideways and pretty bullish, and yeah, okay, so then I see for the third trade, I see first entry short, second entry short, and I'm tilted at this point because I have basically 2 trades that worked out, and I just completely mismanaged them 100%. I mean, this one hit my point. I just didn't get filled, which is just unlucky. So I'm not too mad about going break even on this one. But maybe I immediately should have just reversed and got that 1 point as well in the opposite direction because of a pattern that formed here. And now I'm actually on the right side of the market. This one I messed up by just moving the stop loss and trying to trail it and not letting it play out. This one is just an emotional trade for sure. This is a first entry short, second entry short, and I thought this would be a failed breakout and come back down. And then I see this outside bar, bullish bar reverse. I'm like, okay. So I basically take a 7 tick loss, reverse, and then this is when I go for a 9 tick profit target, trying to make back on the 4 contracts that I had, and I get it. So yeah, I mean, I get it. It's a first entry short, second entry short failure, outside bar closing on its high, big bullish bar, a lot of bulls here trying to push price higher, and I get it, and that's fine. I just get the 4 points. I get the 4 contracts at that 9 ticks. And those are the 4 trades I took. Overall, it was just really bad trading. Not in the right mindset. Shouldn't be trading after 2 p.m. So hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes on the day here. As you can clearly see, the trend is literally going higher. And I had this behavior before. I thought I got rid of it. And I'm trying to go short with a trend that's going higher. Clearly going higher. So, something I got to realize, something to work on. But, I want to show you the good, I want to show you the bad, show you the ugly, the beautiful. So, hopefully the transparency helps, someone else out there. And I'll see you guys for tomorrow for hopefully some better trading. This is Zeff. Take it easy.